Summertimes mean green lawns and spending time outside with family and friends. You want to make sure your entertainment space is gorgeous and vibrantly green. There are many things that can take the green out of your grass, leaving your yard with unsightly brown patches. These awesome tips can help keep your grass green and beautiful all season long, making it a perfect backdrop. 1. Aeration. When grass gets too thick, nutrients and water can't penetrate into the roots where they are needed. Poke holes in the lawn to improve air circulation and allow water and nutrients to move to the root zone. 2. Fertilize. Give your lawn a boost in the spring, once soil temperatures reach 55 degrees Fahrenheit. Feed about 4 weeks later, and then every 6 to 8 weeks during the growing season. A slow-release granular fertilizer will help avoid burning the lawn. 3. Mower blades. Keep the blades on your mower sharp. Dull blades will tear the grass instead of cutting it cleanly and allow water to leave the grass blades more quickly. 4. Mowing height. Cut only the top 1/3 off the grass at each mowing. Taller grass creates more shade, holding more moisture in the soil. Taller grass also encourages a deeper root system. 5. Grass cycling. Allow grass clippings to stay on your lawn instead of bagging them. This helps to recycle nutrients, fertilizing your lawn, and also reduces water requirements. Another alternative to this would be brewing grass clipping tea in a big barrel, filled with water. Let it sit for a week, and then you can feed the nitrogen-rich tea back to your lawn. 6. Pet problems. Urine contains acid, and this acid can create brown spots on your lawn. If your pet has a favorite spot in the yard to do his or her business, flush the area with extra water to dilute the acid. 7. Water. Most lawns need 1 to 1.5 liters of water a week from rainfall or sprinklers. It is best to give your lawn more water, less frequently, to encourage roots to grow deeper. Timing depends on climate and soil type. 8. Crabgrass. High temperature will encourage crabgrass to emerge and try to take over your lawn. The best defense is a dense, healthy stand of grass that is kept at a slightly higher height and fertilized well. Every homeowner wants a gorgeous green lawn without ugly brown spots. Follow these tips to keep your grass looking its best.